Today what we're going to be doing is installing or fitting a humble coax plug. I know a lot of you have got problems with disappearing TV signals, so hopefully this video will help you solve that problem. To do this, you're going to need some tools. You definitely need a sharp knife. A pair of sharp side cutters will be helpful, not essential. You can get by with some sort of ordinary house tools like side cutters or pliers, maybe even at a pinch with a decent pair of scissors. I get asked a lot about how much cable outer to cut off, so a pound coin is really good for doing the size. We start off by taking the plug and putting the back collar onto the cable. So we use the coin to work out how much outer to cut off. Gently score around the outer sheath. Ease open. Separate the outer sheath and then take the braid and make a little pigtail. Next we need to remove the foil. Sometimes it'll just come off loose, other times you might need to use the knife. Next we're going to put the claw on, so it just slides over the top and then we rotate, it'll catch all the pigtail. Now we're going to cut the white dielectric. All you need is about that much gap. And we're going to cut the white dielectric and take it off. Now a little pro tip to make sure this wire keeps contact with the centre pin of the plug is to bend it before we fit the plug end, and now it won't come off. You might need to trim off the end, and for extra security maybe just squeeze the plug end together, then fit the barrel before screwing the cap on. To finish off, make sure there's no little wire sticking out the back. Screw the plug together. Doesn't need to be too tight, just strong enough to hold it on. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Just make sure your plug end's on. Make sure there's no little wires or anything touching the centre pin. Your job is done. It takes less time than the video takes to actually fit the plugs. It's an easy job to do, and it's the first thing you should check if you lose your TV signal at home. Always check the simple stuff first. Is the TV plugged in? Have I got a signal down the cable? And the first thing to do when you signal cable, take your plugs off if they're already like this, give them a quick check over, rebuild them, put them back together, and probably 6 times out of 10 you can solve your TV problems with that. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching.